In this video, I want to tell you how carburetor works in a very simpler method, in a very simpler way that you're going to understand it. This is carburetor. As you can see, this is the carburetor. You can see this is the carburetor. So how does carburetor works? The carburetor does two things. The function of the carburetor is to ensure that the ratio of air and fuel is mixed in the right proportion. That is the work of carburetor. The air comes to carburetor through here and fuel comes to carburetor through here. You can see this is the fuel tap, and this from here your carburetor suck air. So your carburetor ensures that the air that comes to your carburetor and the fuel that comes to your carburetor, they are the right proportion. If your carburetor is bad, it means that you will notice that your engine may be smoking because of due to poor ratio of fuel or poor ratio of fuel and air. Because if your carburetor is not sucking air, the carburetor is bad to not suck sufficient air, and that will prevent your engine from running smooth. And if your carburetor is bad too, it may not also allow fuel to come in again. So that is why when you have a bad carburetor, you notice that your fuel generator will run poorly. So that is why you need to know how your carburetor works. Your carburetor is just a simple equipment in your component in your engine that allow the right proportion of fuel and air to mix together and to allow your engine to run efficiently. When the right proportion of air and fuel is mixed to your engine, that's what the carburetor will not transfer to the combustion chamber. So by the time that gets the combustion chamber and the piston will compresses that, what happened? Ignition to take place, because at that point your spark plug is going to trigger that. So that is how your carburetor works. And you know, before you start your engine, you have shock here. You know, I open it now. As you can see, it open, closes, open, closes. By the time you open, you close like this when you want to start, because you don't want air to come in. You don't need air that time. You want high rich fuel. You want the ratio of fuel to high than air, so that your engine can start. As soon as your engine is running, you open it. Why? Because you want fuel you want the right proportion of air and fuel to keep running the engine smoothly. So that is how your carburetor works. As you can see, that is how this is the carburetor. That is how it works. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up. See you in another video. Thanks.